7 Little Known Acne Skin Care Secrets. An acne problem is not a problem so long as you know wise acne skin care tips. One does need much money to get that healthy glowing skin. With the natural acne skin care methods, acne shouldn't be treated like monsters under your bed. Here are some acne skin care methods we can practice. 1. The power of water. Oil, they say it is thicker than water. But water is the plainest, most natural substance we can use for acne skin care. In washing your face, do it gently. Rubbing and scrubbing your face does not clean the skin gently. For best acne skin care effects, using a mild cleanser or toner once in the morning, noon and evening, and after doing a heavy workout, will help you achieve clear skin. 2. Pick That's It. People who prick pimples and blemishes as if pricking a bubble only aggravates the risk of skin inflammation and acne scars. Avoid hand contact with your face for better acne skin care results. 3. Shave with care. Choose the best electric shavers and safety razors you can trust for years. They'll be more comfortable to use. Men need not use a super sharp blade to get rid of that beard. A regular shaver used with soap and water or shaving cream will help you get that smooth finish. Doctors advised men to shave lightly and shave only when necessary for acne skin care maintenance. 4. Sun of the beach. If you love sun tanning or just want the sight of that sophisticated sunburnt look, forget it. This is an acne skin care no-no. The sun's harmful ultraviolet rays redden the skin, making the skin drier. It can make one's blemishes visible, speed up aging and bring serious damage to the human skin. Also, excessive exposure to the sun can cause skin cancer. You don't want to ruin that great acne skin care you've been starting on with. 5. Cosmetics. Eyeshadows, blush-on, moisturizer, and other cosmetics we use should be free from oily substances to permit healthy acne skin care maintenance. Even hairstyling products in forms of gels or aerosols that come in close contact with the skin may destroy a healthy acne skin care practice. Choose hairstyling products, which are commercially labeled as non-comedogenic, are products which do not provoke the formation and growth of blemishes and other related skin disorders. 6. Buttered face. An African beauty secret reveals the power of shea butter, which originated from the karit nut tree or mangifolia tree. Juicy acne skin care tip. Karit nut tree was discovered in the semi-arid savannas of West Africa and Central Africa. People in Africa, women in particular, rely on shea butter as a vital tool for acne skin care treatment for over centuries now. 7. Spare me that spa. You need not to visit the most expensive spa parlors to get that de-stressing facial treatment to aid you in your acne skin care endeavor. Create a homemade magical elixir right at the comforts of your own home by purchasing simple spa tools found in beauty stores. Get only the best and the fresh. Increase intake of fresh fruit and vegetables. These acne skin care tools are free of toxins, which decreases the speed of blood circulation. A salad or a fruit a day will keep acne away. There are no perfect cure, medication, treatment or acne skin care methods for acne problems. Thus, as the sole proprietor of our skin, we must take full charge of what lies to be our first armor against diseases and bodily injuries. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.